Every year, thousands of students graduate, filled with all this potential and so many shared experiences. But for most institutions, that connection, it just fades over time. Today, we're going to look at a solution that's designed to fix that, to bridge that gap. It's called AlumniConnect.
Let's dive right into the heart of the problem. Why is it that after years of shared history, of camaraderie, that the bond between an institution and its alumni just becomes this missed connection?
The reality is, the second a graduate walks off that stage, the connection starts to fray. Their information gets scattered everywhere, communication becomes totally sporadic, and the incredible potential of a unified community, well, it just evaporates.
It's really a downward spiral. It all kicks off with scattered data. Alumni info trapped in random WhatsApp groups, ancient email lists, forgotten spreadsheets. This total fragmentation makes any kind of real engagement pretty much impossible. And the result? A massive loss of potential for mentorship, for career opportunities, and of course, for crucial fundraising.
But here's the good news. This problem is absolutely solvable. The solution is all about creating a single, centralized ecosystem that's designed to reconnect and empower the entire community.
And that's where AlumniConnect comes in. Think of it as one single powerful platform that brings everything together. All the data, all the communication, all the engagement opportunities into one secure, easy-to-use hub.
Now, under the hood, AlumniConnect is built on a really modern and robust tech stack. We're using technologies like React and Node.js, and not just because they're the new, shiny thing, but because they ensure a fast, responsive experience for everyone. And by hosting on AWS, we're guaranteeing the platform is always available and can scale to any size. This isn't just an idea. It's a solid, really well-architected solution.
So what makes AlumniConnect different? Well, for starters, it's built to grow with any institution, big or small. Second, it's incredibly secure. We're following global best practices for data protection. Third, the user experience is amazing. It works beautifully on any device, feeling just like a native app. And finally, it's smart. Our AI doesn't just spam you with generic alerts, it actively connects the right people with the right opportunities at exactly the right time.
But listen, a great platform is one thing. What about real-world results? Let's talk about the impact. How does AlumniConnect actually transform the experience for students, for alumni, and for the institution itself?
The very first and most immediate impact is a massive boost in engagement. We're talking about moving away from that occasional, easily ignored email newsletter to a vibrant, active community where alumni are constantly connecting, sharing, and actually participating. And you know what? Higher engagement leads directly to stronger support. Think about this for a second. A recent report found that a staggering 93% of alumni who donate are already active on their alumni portals. This just shows the massive, untapped fundraising potential that AlumniConnect is perfectly positioned to unlock. And all of this creates a powerful win-win-win situation. Students get a direct line to amazing mentors and internship opportunities. Alumni get to rediscover a super valuable professional and social network. And the institution? It strengthens its community, its reputation, and its financial future. Everybody benefits.
The positive outcomes just cascade from there. Imagine a student landing their absolute dream job through a connection they made right on the platform. Picture an institution making smarter, data-driven decisions because they finally understand what their alumni actually care about. This is about building a stronger community that boosts everyone's success.
So what does this all mean? Where does this leave us when we think about the future of how we connect?
Let's be honest. The era of clunky, outdated alumni portals is over. AlumniConnect represents a fundamental shift. It's the difference between a static, forgotten directory and a dynamic, living ecosystem that is proactively working to build and maintain those critical connections.
And this really gets to the heart of our vision. We're not just building another alumni portal. What we are creating is a future-ready ecosystem for lifelong connections. So when you look at it with scalability, security, and an exceptional user experience as our core pillars, AlumniConnect is so much more than a platform. It's an investment in the power of community. It's about empowering lifelong engagement for this generation and for all the ones that follow. Thank you.